Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon. Thank you very much to IBBM and then distinguished session chair and all participants. My name is Murniati. I come from Bina Nusantara University and I representative from STIE Jaya Negara Taman Siswa Malang. Thank you very much about this time. Thank you for the opportunity. I am going to present my research paper about impact of communication and information technology and finance and human capital in government system. Okay, about impact of communication information technology. We know that information and communication technology is very important in supporting many activity, and we know about abstract. This abstract, the purpose of this study is to investigate the concept in previous research regarding human capital through impact of communication and information or ICT. We use content analysis to compile a scholarly article from Emerald, Korean Science, and then Scopus, as well as a book written by experts in ICT and financial information. The government system has an impact on government regulation and policies relate to the financial system. The government system affect operation, process, and the development of the financial technology. Not only that, the government system also determine the education system, which has an impact on the development of the quality of human resource, technology, and information play a very critical role both in economic growth, financing, and human needs, so that they become very important in human life, include in finance and human resource development. The ability of information and communication technology, or ICT today and in the future is very much needed by the community to be productive in today's world of work. The application of technology to finance and the emergency of finance can be applied to the banking and financial service business. Information and technology communication engage the active only online, social, or rural and urban family, which encourage them to participate in digital finance. In addition, the importance of social connection in the online world, an alternative way to complement the role of offline social interactive in terms of increasing digital financial engagement. Okay, this is about introduction. Finance has an important finance has an impact of the development of human capital. Human capital development and technology develop important factor in economy development. Human development relate to the well-being and level of trust in individual regarding finance. The majority of government and large financial institutions end up helping people with high or a medium income in their using finance plan. The poor cannot participate in the law and administrative restriction of government and financial organization, and they are too expensive for people to use. Internal work within government boundaries must be supported by information system, and consumer must be safer through digital interfaces. And digital relationship between social partner leverage. And we know about many banks reluctant to support e-commerce in newly formed company because they are seen as a new sector fraught with danger and uncertainty. Bank prefer to provide simple loan to a select group of a medium-sized expected rather than make large loan to more exported. Trade development organization assist skill upgrading workers to enhance their own skill in Janus quality sector. Questionnaire on electronic readiness in the NTA industry has just been completed by the End Good Association in collaboration with donors who have been asked to be interviewed, and they are now in the process of developing a business project in Ghana's NTA sector. Okay, about research background, there is 4 research background. Number one, improper use of technology. Number 2, the low use of technology, and number 3, communication in information technology in finance is not optimal yet. And number 4, human resource in the field of communication technology is still low. We know research background number 1. Improper use of technology. Improper use of technology. There are gaps in people's adaptive attitudes toward technology. As a result, the use of ICT is still consumptive and has not had an impact on effort to empower oneself. People who have cell phones are almost the same as the total population of Indonesia, but the utilization is not right. The majority for social networks such as Facebook and Twitter is quite high. Okay, and then research background number 2, the low use of technology, the low utilization of technology, the low availability of technology, low availability of investment. The government support has not been optimal for information technology. The use of new technology began to increase when the COVID-19 disaster occurred. And then research background number 3, communication of information technology in finance is not optimal yet. The number of commercial bank and commercial bank officer has been decreasing, which 4 years decreased by 1.66 decrease in 4 years, decrease 1.660 in 2008, 2008 and 2008 to 2001. Okay, and then human resource in field of communication technology is still low. Research in the field of education technology and the quality of education are still low compared to some other countries. Human resource for managing information communication technology are very low. Okay, about research background, we can see about data finance system. There is 4 years about finance system, growth of total commercial bank in Indonesia, and growth of bank officer in Indonesia. in total commercial growth of total commercial Bank Indonesia, there is 2 decrease in 4 years. And then we can see about growth of bank officer in Indonesia. We can see about meanwhile, the number of commercial bank officer in Indonesia starting in 2018 until 2021, every year experiencing bank officer closure rate, and the total number of bank officer closure in Indonesia, both domestically and abroad, for 4 years. Is 1,660. One of the reason why bank and bank officer are closed in due to the limitation of information technology used by bank, so the public, the business world, and other activities turn to bank that provide access to superior or advanced technology. Okay, about literature review. We use 4 literature review. Number 1 about finance, number 2 information communication technology, and number 3 human capital, number 4 governance system. About finance is study how to know individual business, improve organization, allocation, use monetary result over time, and also calculate risk in carrying out the project. The term financial means the science of finance and other asset management of this asset. And then about information communication technology or ICT. Information and communication technology is a broad and umbrella term covering all technical equipment for processing and covering information. ICT include 2 aspects, namely information technology and communication technology. And then literature review number 3 about human capital. Human capital is all the property of available in human, include habit, knowledge, social attribute,